Good morning once again. Today we will see exercise 11.1 solution, and from the beginning I am starting here. The first question is, an angle is formed at the dash of two rays or two line segments. What is the answer? The meeting point. Whenever to this point टू रेज और टू लाइन कहाँ पे लाइन सेगमेंट मीट करते हैं एट अ मीटिंग पॉइंट एंड दे फॉर्म व्हाट एंगल. यहाँ पे वो क्या बनाते हैं? एंगल. दे फॉर्म एंगल. ओके. सो नाउ आफ्टर दैट whenever it comes it will show you this is the angle. Now second question is that the common end point of two rays or two line segment फॉर्मिंग एन एंगल इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? वर्टेक्स. जहाँ पे एंगल होता है तो एंगल जिस कॉर्नर पे मिलता है, दिस कॉर्नर, इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? वर्टेक्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड द वर्टेक्स. इन थर्ड क्वेश्चन यू विल सी दैट थर्ड नंबर इट इज आस्किंग द टू रेज और लाइन सेगमेंट्स फॉर्मिंग एन एंगल आर कॉल्ड व्हाट? जो दो रे हैं वो एंगल के क्या होते हैं? आर्म्स होते हैं. आर्म्स मतलब उनका हाथ होता है, उसका हाथ बोलते हैं, जो कोई वो हैंड्स को क्या करते हैं? फॉर्म करते हैं. दो के मिलने से, जैसे फर्स्ट ये और ये सेकंड ये दोनों आर्म्स हो गए किसके? ये एंगल की. ये जो एंगल यहाँ पे फॉर्म करेगा. सेकेंड वन यू विल सी दैट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाइल नेमिंग और राइटिंग एन एंगल, व्हाइल नेमिंग और राइटिंग एन एंगल अ डैश इज पुट इन द मिडिल. बीच में क्या लिखते हैं? तो जिस कॉर्नर पे वो फॉर्म करता है उसको हम लोग लिखेंगे. सपोज अगर हम इसका नाम लिखें ए बी और सी, देन बी बिकम द एंगल. ओके, like this we can conclude this is the naming factor. Next one is fifth number. A line segment has how many points? As we know that line segment is a part of a line, so जहाँ से हम भी कट करेंगे लाइन में से इट बिकम्स टू एंड पॉइंट. कट करते हैं तो दो सिरे से कट करेंगे. ओके, हाफ में डिवाइड नहीं करें, काट करके बीच सेगमेंट मतलब एक टुकड़ा, उसमें से टुकड़ा काटेंगे तो उसका दो एंड पॉइंट होगा. दैट मीन्स अ लाइन सेगमेंट हैज हाउ मेनी एंड पॉइंट्स? टू एंड पॉइंट. ओके, then after we have another question that is true false. It is what? True false. The first question is that a line segment has two end points. A line segment has how many end points? Two end points. But here it is given what? A line has two end points. This is completely wrong. So the first answer is false. Second, a ray has two end points. As we know, ray has only one starting point and one end is not a point that may continue as much as we draw it. Okay, so ray has only one end point, so answer is also false. In third number, an angle has two arms and one vertex. Yes, each angle has at least two arms and one vertex. An angle must have two arms and one vertex. कोई भी एंगल होगा तो उसको मिनिमम दो आर्म्स होंगे ही होंगे और एक वर्टेक्स होगा ही होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, अ लाइन सेगमेंट डज नॉट हैव अ डेफिनेट लेंथ. कहता है कि लाइन सेगमेंट का एक लेंथ नहीं होता है. नहीं, लाइन सेगमेंट हैज टू एंड पॉइंट्स. दैट मीन्स उसका लेंथ हम फिक्स कर देते हैं. तो इट हैज व्हाट?
सर, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ 4 एंड
fourth number is that is a line segment does not have a definite length. That means
no sir, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks.
You are late. Okay, in 4 number
Sir,
vertex.
one call has come.
So don't interrupt. That is your mistake. Okay, so here in this a line segment does not have a definite length. That is wrong. A line segment has two end points. That means it has a definite length. line segment को क्या होता है? दो end point होता है और इसको definite length होता है. Okay, if you will see this one, next question is what? Here you can find this one. A vertex of an angle, sorry, fifth number, a line segment does not have a definite length. Here asking a line does not have a definite length. Correct, because a line has no end points. That means it can be drawn in both the direction. Okay, so it has no end points. This is true. Next question is that the vertex of an angle is situated on its boundary. कहता है कि जो वर्टेक्स है वो एंगल का उसके बाउंड्री पे होता है. यस, वे एट द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ टू मीटिंग रेज. जहाँ पे दो रेज मीट करते हैं उसके लास्ट पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे मीट करते हैं वो किनारे बाउंड्री पे होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द वर्टेक्स. सो दिस आंसर इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट वन, इफ यू विल सी दैट हियर a line segment has 2 endpoints. True, because earlier I have told you कि लाइन सेगमेंट को कितने पॉइंट्स होते हैं, तो 2 एंड पॉइंट्स होते हैं, उनका लेंथ क्या होता है, फिक्स होता है. और वेयर एज लाइन हैज नो एंड पॉइंट्स, नो फिक्स्ड लेंथ. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू लुक एट द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स एंड नेम एज मेनी लाइन सेगमेंट्स एज यू कैन. तो यहाँ पे इसको लाइन सेगमेंट्स को देखना है. हियर यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटेन द सॉल्यूशन. दिस वन इज लाइन फर्स्ट AD, second one is what, AB, third B, third here this one is BC, next one is also here DO, another one is also what, if you will see here OC, next big line is here, you will find that AO, up to here AO, and then after from here you will find again this one is what, OC. This one is OC. Like this.
Sir, it is.
Yes.
Sir, it is make in copy and book.
You have to draw. You have to write the names of the line segments in notebook. Okay. It would be better if you will draw the picture, because from there only we can clearly identify you are writing the names of which line segment. Okay.
Okay.
So like that here also 4 sides are there. First one AB, second, then after
Sir, your voice
BC.
is breaking.
Okay, like this we have 4 line segment on its boundary, and here this one more half of the diagonals. This is the things we have to write here, the line segments, 4 sides and 4 inside, that is from OB, OA, OD and OC. Like this we have to write here the name of the ray, and always we are writing from end point to arrow headed, OA, OB, OC and OD. These are the names. Another in the same next beside in question number 4, again OA here, like that OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, here this one is OF, OH this one, and finally OG. Okay, like these are the rays of this figure. Now in the next question we have to see names of arms of the angle. Here 2 arms are there. First one is AO and second one is OB. Okay, and this is the name of the vertex, this one O. So name of the vertex is O, and the angles are forming AOB. Angle is AOB, and another angle is BOA, and the name of this angle is A. Okay, like this you have to do. Now next one is mark 3 points A, B, C which are not in a line. Here we have to mark which 3 points not in a mark. We draw an angle ABC. Suppose AB, I am drawing here one angle ABC. Okay, this is point A, B, and this one is C. Okay, like this we name the vertex of the angle. So we know that always we are writing in the center. This is the B. Okay, B is here. Like in this AOB, O is the center, so name of the vertex is O, and triangle this one B is center, so we can call it the B is the name of the vertex, and the rays are A, B and B and C. 2 rays are there. Name of the angle is another form CBA, or another form we can write angle B. Like this we can write the names. जब भी नाम लिखेंगे तो जो बीच वाला होगा वो वर्टेक्स होगा, और शुरू के 2 लेटर्स हमारे क्या होंगे, फर्स्ट आर्म और फर्स्ट रे को बताएगा, और सेकेंड का जो 2 लेटर लेंगे अगर हम लोग BC तो वो हमको सेकेंड आर्म का नाम बताएगा. और एंगल को हम लोग कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ABC एंड CAB बोथ आर सेम, नेम ऑफ द सेम एंगल, वो एक ही एंगल के दो तरीके से हम लोग नाम लिख सकते हैं. लाइक दैट हियर यू हैव टू फाइंड द write the name of the vertex and the arms AB, BC and B. Okay, here also ED, EF and E is the vertex. Like that HG, HF and H is the vertex. Another one OA, OB and this one O is what? Vertex. Here again AO is first arm, OB is second arm and O is what? Vertex. Another one, that is 6 number, AO, OB and O is what? Your vertex. In question number 8, if we will find, here you have to write the names of angle, arms and vertex. Angle name is here A, B and C. This is the angle A, B, C, and in that arm is, first arm is AB and second one is BC, and vertex name is what here? B. Like that you can, I have written here all the answers for all the questions. Okay, angle, this is angle name is DEF, arms ED, this one ED, and another one is what? EF, this one EF, and vertex name is E. Like that here in next question also, third number, our angle name is OGH and arms are OG and next one is GH and vertex name is G itself here. So you can find there all the names are I have written, so it will be very easy for you to do this one. Okay, in the next number you have to write the names of angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is marks here and using 3 letters we have to write. So you are free to write in any manner. Okay, you are free to write in any manner. And how you can write it? For this it becomes very easy to write. And in this what we will do?
The screen is blank.
Okay, no problem. Now it is coming.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Now is
Yes,
going.
sir. Coming.
Okay, then mute. Here again you will find that the name we can write in any manner. BOC first, then second one is COD, third one is DOE, and next one is DEO, and then after EOF, then after next one is what? One second, let me put it. Next one is here becoming GOH, next one becomes HOG, and then after AOP. Like this you have to mark all the angles using 3 letters you have to write. Keep in mind while
Sir, in middle B, why we have written O? Okay, sir.
okay.
So like AOB, BOC, COD, DOE,
Yes.
like.
You can write in also different manner. It is not necessary to write AOB. You can write BOA. That is also correct. Okay, किसी भी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. AOB और BOA both are correct. So
Or sir, HOA.
this is the solution of our first exercise, and after that in the next class we will see the solution of the next exercise, that is 11.2, and I will also make video for 11.3. Thank you.